speaking and writing. It's very important for everyone. There are lots of or countless people who want to talk to English and want to write fluently. Okay, but they can't. Why? What's the main reason of this problem? Actually, if you want to speak English fluently, you don't have important follow grammar rules. Okay, but if you want to write on the paper correctly, okay, so you need follow English grammar. Always remember that English is a language, not grammar. English come from language, not come from grammar. So just you have to practice English regular. Every day you can choose 4 hour, 3 hour. It's